Welcome to How to Grow Cranberries in Your Home Garden, brought to you by Cranberry Creations. Today we're going to talk about sanding the cranberry bed.
Okay, once you're done combing and cutting off those extra runners, now it's time to add the sand. Now sandbox sand or some of this tube sand is fine. What you want to do, open it up, and take it, just sprinkle it all over the planting. And you want to get about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of sand all over the planting. Just like that. And just kind of work it down in, just so it covers over the face of the plants. Now your planting is ready for the summer.